we will use the bead bars to find ways to make 10. We will review the addition facts of two numbers that add together to make 10. Remember, in the last lesson, you learned that the colored bead bars represent the numbers 1 through 10. You will become more familiar with the bead colors and numbers they represent as we play this addition game. This will help you add and multiply more quickly. We want to find two numbers that add up to 10. Let's get out a 10 and place it at the top of our work surface so we can check our work. Let's start with 1. What do we need to add to 1 to make 10? You might already know that fact, but if you'd like, you can use the bead bar to check and see what the second part will be. We have the first part, 1, and we can count. If you have something like this in your box, it's a counter to help you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The second part is 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Let's try 2. What do we need to add to 2 to make 10? So you can use your counter again. I like to just use my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8 is the same as 10. Let's do 3. 3 is the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 7 equals 8, 10. I'm noticing a pattern in our numbers. Do you see a pattern? The first number in an addition problem is called the first addend. And I'm noticing that the first addend is going up by 1 each time. The second number in an addition problem is called the second addend. And I'm noticing that the second addend is going down each time. 9, 8, 7. We can use this pattern to help us. Our first addend is 4. Let's look at our pattern. 9, 8, 7, 6. 6 should be our second addend. Now let's check using our 10 bead bar and make sure. The first part is 4 and the second part is 6. Yes, 4 plus 6 is 10. All right, let's do 5. 5 plus, you probably already know this fact, 5 plus 5 is 10. All right, our next addend will be 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. We've used these numbers before. This shows us a special rule about addition. The rule is called the commutative rule, and it says that no matter which position the number is in, they still equal the same amount. 4 plus 6 is 10, and 6 plus 4 is 10. I can change the position of 4 and 6, and they will still equal 10. This is an important rule for you to remember because it's true for multiplication also. We will see this rule again when we do multiplication. Our first addend will be 7 and 7 and 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. We'll use 8 as our first addend. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And finally, 9 plus 1 equals 10. You have found all the ways to make 10 using the numbers 1 through 9. You can print out the large grid graphing paper at the end of this chapter, and you can record all of the ways to make 10. Knowing the combinations of 10 will help you be faster at your addition. See you next time.